Right, so today will be an interesting repair. We have a BevMax 5800 that was not cooling. It was at 80 degrees. So after some of our basic troubleshooting that I've already mentioned before, we've determined that the condenser fan is not working, which we have here. This is responsible for the cooling system, and we will go ahead and install this because the current one is not working. So as we're already aware, based on prior videos, you want to remove those bottom two trays. We're going to go ahead and show what's going on. This is our condenser fan. This is our evaporator fan. We're changing this one. See, it's already wired to your 3-in-1 here. So we're gonna go ahead and unclip these, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna rewire this back on for testing. Just before we install the whole assembly, I just went ahead and put the new condenser assembly here. I wired what needed to be wired just for testing purposes. That smooth wire is typically hot, which is black, and then neutral is gonna be placed on the neutral wire, which is white. You wanna make sure none of these touch or else you're gonna cause a short, so keep some distance between them just for test purposes. Obviously, once we go ahead and put it all back together, we will wire knot it and tape it so there's no contact. So we went ahead and turned on the compressor via relay, and this fan is working in comparison to the one that was not before. So we know that this was the problem. Now that we know that this part is properly tested, we're gonna go ahead and change it. So we went ahead and removed the condenser fan assembly. I'll be honest, this is one of the more difficult parts that I've removed from a compressor because there's several different parts that it's screwed into, including that part right there, if you can see it, but it's kind of a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. So we went ahead and rewired the fan. We spliced it, put hot with hot, neutral, new fan assembly is placed in. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the compressor via relay, on. We wanna make sure that fan is spinning. The compressor was turning off as a result of the fan not working because that thermal overload compresses your actual compressor from overheating. So it looks like this machine will be working again. We went ahead and patched the machine up. We're gonna have to turn it off to make sure that she's cooling, but it should be fine. We know that condenser fan is working. We'll come again a little later just to make sure she's cooling back down to 38 to 41.